D, and by holding Alt I'll replace it. Select this second layer, hit Ctrl D, select this first layer, and by holding Alt I'll replace it. Okay, now go inside this. Over here you have to type 4. Over here you have to type 4, and then you need to adjust the positions like this. Select this third one. Okay, like this. So first, second, third, and fourth. Now let's close this. Now over here let's choose ellipse over here, and we are going to create some shapes over here. So let's delete the stroke, we don't need that. And I'm going to create one shape over here. Press Ctrl Alt Home to align that anchor point to the center, and simply bring this backward, and we are going to choose red color just for now. Let's select this and try to move this over here. Select this, hit Ctrl D, and let's move this over here. Hit Ctrl D, and let's move this over here. Hit Ctrl D, and let's move this over here. Okay, like this. Now select this first layer, go to the effect and presets panel, and you can also adjust the position of them if you want. Like this, should be over here, like this. Okay, this looks good to me. Now select all of them and try to adjust them properly over here. Now select the first layer, go to the effect and presets panel and search for tint effect to apply. And as you guys can see, with the help of this you can pick up any color. For example, if I choose red color, I'll get this kind of stuff. You can select this tint effect, hit Ctrl C, select the second layer, hit Ctrl V, and instead of that you can choose purple color. Select this third layer, hit Ctrl V or apply tint effect. Over here you can choose let's say bluish color. Select the last layer, apply tint effect. Over here instead of black you can choose orangey color, and if you swap this color you will get different results. Okay, so if you want then you can go with this one also. And now I'm going to select those shape layers, and over here I'm going to pick up their respective colors over here. So this one over here, select this fifth one, we will pick up this color like this. Now select all this shape layers and press Ctrl Shift C, and we will call it as spheres, and go inside this, right click new and create one adjustment layer. Go to the effect and presets panel and search for Gaussian blur effect. So let's type blur and we will get this Gaussian blur, and increase the blurriness. Go to the effect and presets again and apply for simple choker effect, and double click to apply, and increase the choke width somewhere around like this. And now select all these layers, press S and increase their respective size. Select this and increase the blurriness value, so it will look like they are merging with each other. And if you see this stuff over here, we will get something like this. Okay, then you can select this first layer, you can go to the effect and presets panel and you can search for drop shadow effect to apply, and you can increase the softness somewhere around like this, and instead of black color you can choose white color also, and increase the opacity of it. Then select this drop shadow, you can hit Ctrl D if you want, and I think one drop shadow effect is enough. Hit Ctrl C to copy, select all of them and hit Ctrl V to paste it like this. So you will get something like this. Now go inside the sphere over here, select all of these layers, create one keyframe at scale, zoom in, let's go somewhere around 1.20 frames, create another keyframe, go to the start and let's make this 0. Select those keyframes, hit F9, go to the graph editor, select this graph, and by holding shift we move one handle over here and we move one handle over here. Now go to around 20 frames. We will select this second layer, not 20 frame but 10 frames, and move this over here. This one should be over here and this one should be over here. So we will get this kind of connective animation over here. Similarly, we will take a distance of 10 frames for this 1, 2 and 3, and let's bring this pairs over here so they will take their time to animate. Let's make this quad resolution, and I want this pair animation should start from here. Okay, it should start from here like this. Okay, and let's make this resolution and then press Ctrl Y to create one background. I'm going to choose white color background like this, and if you want then you can check out how black background looks to it, but for that you have to remove this white drop shadow. So I'm gonna go with the white color, and instead of complete white color you can choose a little bit of grayish color also, so it will look more nicer. So yep, this is how you can create this kind of infographic animation.